Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Are gas-powered cars still worth buying in 2027? This is a question many people continue to ask as the automotive world changes. New technology, cleaner energy, and different transportation options have become more common, but gas-powered vehicles are still part of everyday life in many places. While electric and hybrid vehicles are becoming more popular, gasoline vehicles continue to serve millions of drivers. The answer is not the same for everyone because every driver has different needs, budgets, and lifestyles. Looking at the advantages and disadvantages can help people decide whether buying a gas-powered car is still the right choice. Gas-powered vehicles have been around for many decades. During that time, they have become reliable, familiar, and easy to use. Many people have grown up riding in gasoline vehicles, learning how they work, and understanding how to maintain them. Mechanics are widely trained to repair gasoline engines, and replacement parts are usually easy to find. This familiarity gives many drivers confidence when choosing a vehicle. One reason people still choose gas-powered cars is convenience. Fuel stations are available in many cities, towns, and highways. Drivers can refill their fuel tanks in just a few minutes before continuing their journey. This quick refueling process is especially helpful for people who travel long distances or have busy schedules. Instead of waiting for a battery to recharge, drivers can simply fill the tank and get back on the road. Another advantage is the variety of vehicles available. Gas-powered cars come in many shapes and sizes, including small cars, family vehicles, pickup trucks, sports cars, and larger utility vehicles. Buyers can usually find a model that fits their needs, whether they are commuting to work, driving children to school, or carrying equipment for a job. This wide selection makes it easier for people to choose a vehicle that matches their daily activities. Purchase price is another important consideration. In many cases, gas-powered vehicles may cost less upfront than newer alternative vehicles. For families with limited budgets, a lower purchase price can make a big difference. Buying a less expensive vehicle may also reduce monthly loan payments, making ownership more affordable. Used gas-powered vehicles are also widely available. Many people choose used cars because they offer lower prices while still providing reliable transportation. A well-maintained used vehicle can serve its owner for many years. This gives buyers another affordable option if purchasing a brand new vehicle is not possible. Maintenance is another factor that many drivers consider. Since gasoline engines have been used for many years, repair shops have extensive experience working on them. Routine services such as oil changes, filter replacements, and brake inspections are common procedures. Drivers often know what maintenance their vehicles need and when those services should be performed. Long-distance travel is another area where gas-powered vehicles remain practical. Road trips often involve driving through areas where charging stations may be less common. Since fuel stations are widely available, travelers may feel more comfortable taking longer journeys without worrying about finding a place to recharge. This convenience continues to attract people who regularly travel long distances. However, gas-powered vehicles also have disadvantages that buyers should consider. One of the biggest concerns is fuel cost. Gasoline prices can change throughout the year depending on many different factors. Sometimes prices remain stable, while at other times they rise quickly. Higher fuel prices increase the cost of owning and operating a gasoline vehicle, especially for people who drive every day. Environmental impact is another important topic. Burning gasoline produces emissions that affect air quality and contribute to climate change. Around the world, many governments and communities are encouraging cleaner transportation to reduce pollution. Because of this, some areas are creating policies that encourage lower emission vehicles while gradually reducing dependence on gasoline. Fuel efficiency also varies between different gasoline vehicles. Some models use fuel more efficiently than others, while larger and heavier vehicles often consume more gasoline. Drivers who spend many hours on the road may notice higher fuel expenses over time. Choosing a fuel-efficient vehicle can help reduce these costs, but gasoline expenses still remain part of regular ownership. We've covered the reasons why many people still choose gas-powered cars and the benefits they continue to offer. In the next part, we'll look at the challenges, future trends, and what buyers should think about before making a decision. Stay tuned for part 2. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.